Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the fascinating history of Tanzania's name and the visionary behind it, Muhammad Iqbal. Join us as we explore the story of how Tanganyika and Zanzibar united to form the beautiful nation of Tanzania. In the early 1960s, Tanganyika and Zanzibar were two separate entities, each with its own unique culture and history. However, the dream of unity and peace was shared by many. The president of Tanganyika announced that whoever could come up with a good name for the United State of Tanganyika and Zanzibar would have their name chosen as the name of the new nation. Determined to contribute to this historic moment, Iqbal took ablution and supplicated to Allah, seeking guidance and inspiration. During his supplication, he envisioned a united nation where the people of Tanganyika and Zanzibar could come together in harmony. After much contemplation, Iqbal combined the initial three letters of Tanganyika, the initial three letters of Zanzibar, the initial letter of his name, and the initial letter of his madhab Ahmadiyya to create the name Tanzania. This new name represented the merging of two distinct regions into one harmonious nation. At the same time, Tanzania's first capital was named Dar es Salaam, which means the House of Peace in Arabic. These two reasons and other reasons reflect why Tanzania is the most peaceful country in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of Tanzania's name. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. And remember, unity and peace are the true foundations of a great nation. We will share with you a few more reasons Tanzania is the most peaceful country in the world in the next videos.